What's up, guys? This is Amosoft and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can earn 4% of your Bitcoin every single day without trading or whatsoever. And guys, please subscribe to this channel, and if this is a kind of content you like seeing, kindly give me a thumbs up and also drop a comment below this video. And guys, please, before I proceed, I want you to understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot be a financial advisor. I only do stuff online with using crypto and also show you those things that I do. I will never tell you to put your money into something that I do not put my money into. So if you want to follow me, you do that on your own. You bear the responsibility for that. Okay, so guys, these are some of those platforms that I actually participate on the background, and I currently have one of them that I've been into and I've been running since July. Actually made out my capital, but this one I'm going to be showing you today is actually one that got launched just 4 days ago. So it is very fresh, it's very new, and I will also be telling you some of the reasons why I decided to participate in it and what I normally see in these platforms, those that I do participate in, why I do participate in them. All right, so the name of this platform is satostake. Now, satostake is a platform where you stake Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin in this sense now is Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain. That's the official Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain, and you earn 4% every single day. It is fixed. It is not. It does not fluctuate, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to be walking you step by step on how it works and things to expect. So right here is their white paper. You can go through their white paper and see the plans they have for the future, and also some of the written ways on how the system works. Okay, and also the audit as well is been audited by, I think, George. This George stamp right here, and these are some of the results. You can also go through them to see, but some of the notable results there are the backdoor codes. There are no backdoor codes that were detected, meaning the way the contract is designed, owners have renounced the ownership and they cannot just pull out the funds. At least that is what the audit here says. All right, and if you also scroll down, you see that there are some of the fees that are involved. Like if you want to deposit, you are being charged 8%. Okay, that's 8% is actually split into two. If you check this place right here, the deposit fee is split into two. 4% goes to marketing and 4% goes to the owner of this platform, that's the developers. All right, and yeah, that's it about the audit. You can also check the audits for more information right here. So guys, another thing we also want to look into is the minimum amount. Okay, but before we do that, let me just quickly show you their contract so that you verify this figure right here, because this is the amount of money that is put together on the platform. And we all know that if when you start getting worried, when you see this amount reducing drastically, that is when you know that something's about to happen, or maybe something's about to go wrong or stuff like that. But as you can see, it is actually increasing steadily because, like I said, it's just 4 days old. So if we go to their contract right here on the BSC network, we will see that, because as you know, the investments are made in Bitcoin, so the dollar value you see here, it depends on the current Bitcoin value. So you are earning in Bitcoins, all right, not in USDT. So this is their contract address, and these are recent transactions that took place on the site, on the contract rather. So if you check this value of this 16,000 USD is equivalent to the 0.7415 Bitcoin. Okay, this is the current amount that is being put into this project, so it's still very healthy. Then as you can see, this is basically my account right here. If you want to do anything, first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. Okay, there's going to be a connect button right here that you can click to connect your wallet, and once you connect your wallet, you'll be able to invest. Now if you don't have Bitcoin, BTCB, that's the official Bitcoin on Binance Smart Chain, you just have to click on this buy button right here, and it will take you, if you click on it, it will take you to PancakeSwap. It will take you to PancakeSwap. Guys, make sure you're opening this on your Metamask browser. Okay, the link will be below this video. So as you can see, you can now exchange your Binance, your BNB to your Bitcoin BEP20 or BTCB. So if you want to do this, all you need to do for you to have some amount of BNB in your wallet, you can deposit that from Binance, from Trust Wallet, any other place that you have BNB. Okay, even if you have BUSD, you can still swap it to BTCB, but investments are made in BTCB. So that is that's all about how to buy the Bitcoin BTCB. All right, so that's how to buy the BTCB. Then in terms of the investments, how the investments works, the minimum you can stake right here, or that you can invest, or that you can pull into this platform is 0.002 Bitcoin. Okay, the one I staked right here, as you can see, 0.0022 Bitcoin, and those are what you should expect. So basically, if you put in your funds, it starts reading every single day. Okay, then you are supposed to come here to claim your reward every day by clicking on the claim button. As you can see, this is my last claim. This is the next claim I'm going to claim. So once it gets to this time, you can claim. Now the good thing about this is that the reason why it's not going to be withdrawals are not going to be much of a burden to the system is because since you have to claim in order for your reward to continue counting, because if you don't claim after 24 hours, what you have here will just be your reward so far. So you need to claim every single day. Now the good thing about it is that not everybody is going to earn that 4% every day, because not everybody will have that time to claim. So it kind of reduces the load in the system, unlike unlike platforms where you can just deposit 0.002 and you just go and sleep, then come back after 3 days or 4 days and withdraw, stuff like that. But this one you have to claim every day, so it kind of make the earnings fluctuate kind of. So this is also what we call the emergency on stake right here, which if you want to stake your amount before the period that it gets matured, okay, you just click on emergency. But if you click on emergency on stake, you're only going to be getting back 50% of your capital. So this is actually a way of forcing members to leave their funds, okay, for it to mature. So once you get up to 100% of your capital, okay, then you can invest more, or you do something else, because the aim of the platform is to give you 100% of your capital. So if you multiply 4%, if you divide 100% by 4%, then you know the amount of days that you will leave your funds, so that you get both your capital and also double of the amount you invested in it. So that is just it. You can also check this place right here. This is the calculator. If you turn on the calculator, then you see the amount of Bitcoin you'll be getting every day, the amount you're getting every week, and the amount you're going to get every single month. So and the referral system, there's a one-time referral of 10%, which is actually very cool, because it will reduce the burden in the system. All right, that is just it. So guys, I actually invested in some similar projects sometime in July, and that platform is still running till date, though that one is in BNB. I might be sharing in my next video, but since this one is new, I decided to share for those who might want to participate in this type of projects. Then there's a Telegram group you can also join. You can ask questions. You can also get to meet the developers and ask questions. So now guys, one of the reasons why I actually invested in this, though the amount I invested is just around $50, was that when I joined the Telegram group, I asked a series of questions, and I found out that they were actually working on something else, there's going to be linked to this platform as well, which is going to boost their marketing, their exposure and the rest of them. So since it's very new, I think getting in early is actually very cool, because if you compare similar projects at this stage, those who got in at this stage, after a month or so, they were already in profits. All right, so guys, if you want to get into this, just check the link below this video and you will see the referral link and my link, and you can get signed up. If you have any question, check the comment section. You'll see a WhatsApp group where you can join and you can ask any question you have in our online money minds group 4. So guys, that is all for today, and do have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.